Friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel Express Naukri. Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited has established itself as one of India's fastest growing specialty chemical companies. Tatva Chintan Pharma Chem has huge job vacancies for Dahej and Vadodara locations, so let's discuss it. First, job vacancies for Dahej location. Department, Production. 1. Designation, Deputy Manager. Qualification, BE in Chemical Engineering. Experience, 7 to 10 years. 2. Designation, Plant Operator. Qualification, ITI in AOCP. Experience, 5 to 7 years. 3. Designation, Plant Operator. Qualification, Diploma in Chemical Engineering or B.Sc Chemistry. Experience, 3 to 5 years. 4. Designation, Senior Officer or Senior Executive. Qualification, Diploma or BE in Chemical Engineering. Experience, 3 to 7 years. 5. Designation, Senior Officer or Senior Executive. Qualification, B.Sc or M.Sc Chemistry. Experience, 5 to 7 years. Department, Quality Assurance. Designation, Officer or Senior Officer. Qualification, B.Sc or M.Sc Chemistry. Experience, 3 to 5 years. Department, Quality Control. Designation, Officer or Executive. Qualification, B.Sc or M.Sc Chemistry. Experience, 3 to 9 years. Department, Store. 1. Designation, Officer or Executive. Qualification, B.Com plus Material Management. Experience, 3 to 9 years. 2. Designation, Store Operator. Qualification, ITI Copper. Experience, 5 to 7 years. Department, Maintenance. 1. Designation, Lift Technician. Qualification, ITI Electrician. Experience, 5 to 7 years. 2. Designation, Technician. Qualification, ITI Fitter or ITI MMCP. Experience, 5 to 7 years. 3. Designation, HVAC Technician or Refrigeration Technician. Qualification, ITI RFM. Experience, 5 to 7 years. Department, Electrical. Designation, Electrician. Qualification, ITI Electrician or Wireman. Experience, 5 to 7 years. Department, Utility. Designation, Utility Operator. Qualification, ITI RFM or ITI MMCP. Experience, 5 to 7 years. Department, Instrument. Designation, Instrument Technician. Qualification, ITI IMCP. Experience, 5 to 7 years. Department, EHS. Designation, Officer or Executive. Qualification, BE or Diploma in Chemical Engineering or B.Sc or M.Sc Chemistry with PDIS or ADIS. Experience, 3 to 5 years. Friends, request you to subscribe the channel Express Naukri and hit the bell icon for latest job updates. Now we will discuss job vacancies for the Vadodara location. Department, Research and Development. 1. Designation, Officers or Executives or Manager. Qualification, B.Sc or M.Sc Organic Chemistry. Experience, 3 to 10 years. 2. Designation, Operator. Qualification, ITI LACP. Experience, 3 to 10 years. Department, ADL. 1. Designation, Officers or Executives or Managers. Qualification, B.Sc or M.Sc Organic Chemistry. Experience, 3 to 10 years. 2. Designation, Operator. Qualification, B.Sc Chemistry or ITI LACP. Experience, 3 to 10 years. Department, Research and Development Zeolite. Designation, Manager. Qualification, Ph.D. in Inorganic or Material or Physical Chemistry. Experience, 5 to 10 years. Department, EHS. Designation, Officer or Executive. Qualification, BE or Diploma in Chemical Engineering or B.Sc or M.Sc Chemistry with PDIS or ADIS. Experience, 3 to 5 years. Friends, if you are interested and your profile matches with requirements, please send your updated resume to careers@tattvachintan.com. Thank you and all the best from Team Express Naukri.